Here's a demo code. The process would be same on VS Code or Android Studio. Go to pubspec.yaml file. Scroll down and you'll see fonts. Select top for lines like I did. And press Ctrl, Command key plus //. Now download a font. I'll go to Google Fonts. Move the font file to the project folder. Copy the font's name. Now paste font's name before its extension. Copy the font's family name and paste in family. Type the syntax font family and paste the family name in single commas.